Hello everyone, welcome. I'm thrilled to guide you through FP&A journey. With 5 years of dedicated teaching expertise and 13 years of corporate experience, I bring a unique and impactful learning experience in FP&A. Are you ready to master the art of FP&A? If you want to learn the secret of financial planning, budgeting and forecasting and help management to take right decision, then this course is for you. I'm qualified US CMA, MCOM, BCom. I work with multi-billion dollar company and startup across multiple industries such as FMCG, medical, construction, IT and manufacturing. With my blended experience of corporate as well as teaching, you will gain deep insight about FP&A domain and how their functions are working. FP&A jobs are in high demand as well as high paying jobs similar to investment banker. What you will learn through this course. Throughout this course we will teach you about the strategic planning, financial modeling, financial forecasting, budgeting from scratch, and also we will take one example of case study, and based on that case study we will prepare complete financial model of 5 years. This case study will drive you how to run a successful business, how to become risk manager and financial leader. So basically you will develop such kind of quality and skills which is actually trending and required in industry. We will teach you about the performance analysis like vertical analysis, horizontal analysis, KPIs. In bonus you will get how to become finance analyst. You will also get industry trending skills which is actually being useful in the industry. What are you waiting for? Join this our complete FP&A course and become a financial leader and double your salary.